EAS, folks.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Shelby County and north central Kentucky until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar